In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off the feature that runs Onedrive at startup in Windows 10. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can gain control over your computer's boot process and optimize its performance. To begin, you'll want to open the Task Manager. A quick and easy way to do this is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. This will bring up the Task Manager window right on your screen. Now, you might notice that the Task Manager opens in a compact view. Not to worry, this is quite normal. All you need to do is switch to the full view. Look towards the bottom of the Task Manager window, and you'll see an option that says More Details. Give that a click, and the full view will open up, revealing several tabs and more detailed information about the processes running on your computer. Once you're in the full view of the Task Manager, direct your attention to the Startup tab. This tab is key to what we're doing today, as it lists all the programs configured to run when your computer starts up. With your mouse, click on the Startup tab to open it. In this section, you'll see a list, usually organized alphabetically, of various applications set to launch at startup. What you're looking for is Onedrive, so scroll through until you find it. Take a moment to note its current status, whether it's enabled or disabled. With Onedrive highlighted or selected, move forward by right-clicking on it. A small menu will pop up presenting you with some options, one of which will allow you to enable or disable Onedrive at startup. Click the option that suits your needs. Choose Disabled if you wish to prevent Onedrive from launching automatically when you start your computer. Conversely, if you want Onedrive to start by itself, select Enable. Disabling Onedrive can be especially beneficial if you're aiming to increase your system's boot speed and want to free up resources for other applications. On the other hand, enabling it can be convenient if you frequently use Onedrive and prefer it ready to go as soon as you log in. The fantastic thing about this process is that it's reversible. Should your needs or preferences change, you can return to the Task Manager and adjust these settings anytime to better suit your workflow, whether that pertains to Onedrive or any other startup applications you have. By following these straightforward steps, you'll effectively manage the applications that run when your computer boots up, leading to a smoother, more tailored computing experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.